Do you have a high school student athlete that wants to play sports in college? Maybe you thought it was up to the high school coach to get your kid recruited. Maybe you thought if they're good enough, then they'll find them. Maybe someone told you to spend thousands of dollars going to camps, combines, and clinics just to get noticed. Or maybe you have little to no experience in the college recruiting process and just want help. Or maybe you don't want your student athletes' dreams to fail because you didn't do everything you possibly could to help them. If any one of these reasons sounds like you, then I have the solution for you. The Blueprint to College Recruiting. Hi, I'm Coach Cortez James, former high school football coach and director of recruiting for Recruit University. The Blueprint to College Recruiting is an online course that I created using tools, strategies, and resources that I used to help kids from all over the United States and internationally further their education through college sports. Your athlete will learn which career path is for them using our lifestyle assessment. They'll learn how to effectively create highlight film to get the attention of college coaches. You'll learn how to get in direct contact with over 1,000 college coaches. We also provide thousands of questionnaires and much, much more. Click on the link and get one step closer to helping your student athlete achieving their dream of becoming a college student athlete.